We cannot deny the fact that Elon Musk is a man in a different league altogether. The man worked on making electric cars look cool and fast. He also worked on making rockets reusable, and he also wants to take you to Mars. But his tweets are now famous for taking cryptocurrencies to the moon, and let's discuss just that. Hello, future billionaires! Welcome to our channel. The place where you get stock inspiration, motivation, and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. Today we'll be talking about the Elon Musk effect and why you need to follow him on Twitter today. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this one, and drop a like for the video as well. Now, with all that done, let's talk about the Elon Musk effect, shall we? When we talk about modern-day visionaries, we only have a few people that made it to the list. The real-life Tony Stark, Elon Musk, is one among the few who made it to that list of elite people. The man is known for so many things. Even though it was not founded by him, his electric car company is now leading the electric car race, which was once considered a boring segment where people didn't want to put their money. Tesla's cars are fast and engaging, and electric cars change forever. Elon's space exploration company, SpaceX, is pioneering reusable rocket technology, making space travel affordable more so than it was before. His company also wants to set up a human civilization on the Red Planet. Elon is also the co-founder of PayPal, that is now synonymous with online payments. Elon is also looking forward to fixing the huge traffic problem with his Boring Company by building a network of underground tunnels. Elon also developed the Hyperloop concept for fast and futuristic means of transportation for us, and he called it the fifth mode of transportation. His entrepreneurial journey goes all the way back to when he was just 12, and he made $500 by selling a game he developed. Elon Musk's accomplishments are many, and the man is a true visionary and genius of our times, stepping into major industries and then revolutionizing them with his solutions to the existing problem. So you can see a trend here. Elon sees a problem and then solves it efficiently. But we're not here to talk about Musk's life or his entrepreneurial journey. We're here to talk about Elon Musk and his Twitter account. Wait, you might be thinking that everyone's got a Twitter account, so how is this any different from other celebrities? Well, a man like Elon will be taken seriously for whatever he does, and his social media is no different. Elon is almost entirely responsible for people talking about the meme-based cryptocurrency Dogecoin, and that earned him the title of Doge Father. It was due to Elon's tweets about Dogecoin that made people take it more seriously than what the creators of the coin originally intended. For those of you who don't know, Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that was originally created to mock existing cryptocurrencies, and now, all thanks to Elon Musk, it's an actual cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of $43 billion. Dogecoin, during the making of this video, had a market dominance of 2.69%, and it's the 6th largest cryptocurrency worldwide, according to CoinMarketCap.com. On May 10th, Elon Musk tweeted that SpaceX will be taking Dogecoin to the moon in the literal sense. Yep, you heard it right. SpaceX announced that the company would launch the Doge 1 mission to the moon in the first quarter of 2022. This particular tweet led to a surge in the prices of Dogecoin. Not just that, the entire mission will be paid for using Dogecoin. What this means to us is that Dogecoin will be the first cryptocurrency to be in space, and also the first meme to ever be in space. Then, during his appearance in the Saturday Night Live comedy TV sketch show earlier during the month of May this year, Elon mentioned Dogecoin as a hustle, which made the prices of Dogecoin fall to 2/3 of its original price. On May 20th, Elon tweeted, stating, "Yeah, I haven't and won't sell any Doge." Now, this means that Elon won't be selling any of his Dogecoin holdings, and he will be holding it. The prices of Dogecoin always depended on what Elon Musk tweeted about it. So, you might think Dogecoin was the only cryptocurrency that got Elon's attention, but that's not the case, as Elon is a big supporter of Bitcoin as well. He also tweeted about Bitcoin, which has been influencing the prices of Bitcoin. Earlier this year, when Tesla announced that the company would be accepting payments in Bitcoin, the prices started to go up because of the fact that a big company like Tesla supporting Bitcoin means that Bitcoin can be something much bigger than what it is currently. The prices of Bitcoin jumped to 20% when Elon changed his Twitter bio to Bitcoin. In February, when Tesla announced that the company bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, the prices went up as high as 16% in a single day. In April, we had Bitcoin prices at around $63,000. But things started to go down on May 13th, when Elon took to Twitter to announce that Tesla will no longer accept payments in Bitcoin due to the huge amount of energy that Bitcoin uses to operate its network. As a result, the price of Bitcoin dropped around 15%. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, a month is a very long time because of the volatile nature of cryptocurrencies. After hitting a record high of $64,829.14, the prices went down by half to as low as $30,681, and then bouncing back to $37,002 on May 19th. Speaking about the energy issues surrounding Bitcoin, this energy is generated mostly using fossil fuels like coal, and when cryptocurrencies become mainstream, the dependence on non-renewable sources of energy will be even more, especially when Elon Musk is heading two of the world's most influential companies that can accept cryptocurrency payment. So, with Tesla now no longer associated with Bitcoin, does it mean that Elon does not support cryptocurrencies anymore? Well, Elon still supports cryptocurrencies, and this is evident from the tweet, where Elon mentioned, "The true battle is between fiat and crypto. On balance, I support the latter." Bitcoin rose after Musk's post and was trading at around $38,700. He still tweets about Dogecoin, and he also tweeted that he will be working with the developers to improve the efficiency of the coin. That being said, Elon's influence is not just limited to cryptocurrencies. During the controversial data policy of WhatsApp, Elon tweeted in support of the messaging app Signal by tweeting, "Use Signal." The public endorsement boosted the number of downloads of the app overnight. Things did not end there, especially when a totally unrelated company with the same name as Signal witnessed an increase in its stock prices. We also don't know much about Elon's personal investment in Dogecoin and Bitcoin, despite Elon being the one behind the price fluctuations for both the coins. However, there are reports that state Musk only owns 0.25 Bitcoin, and we think there could be more. Elon also plans to hold his personal Bitcoin investments, and the same is the case with Tesla. But in response to an unverified Twitter account called @CryptoWhale, which said, Bitcoiners are gonna slap themselves next quarter when they find out Tesla dumped the rest of their #Bitcoin holdings. With the amount of hate Elon Musk is getting, I wouldn't blame him. To which Musk replied, "Indeed." This Twitter exchange came just a few days after Musk said the company planned to hold rather than sell the Bitcoin it already has, and intended to use it for transactions as soon as mining transitions to more sustainable energy. For some, this could be an indication that Tesla might sell its Bitcoin holdings, but this tweet alone is also responsible for the prices of Bitcoin going down even further, and the price of Bitcoin dropping to its lowest level. To sum things up, when it comes to Dogecoin, the whole thing started as a meme currency, and you could say that Musk has taken the joke too far now and it's now serious. When it comes to Bitcoin, Bitcoin prices also affect other coins in the market, including Dogecoin, and this means that if Elon tweets about Bitcoin, the entire market gets affected, which is evident from the fact that cryptocurrency investors lost about $1.3 trillion because of the entire bearish nature of the crypto market, mainly due to Elon Musk and his tweets. The Elon Musk effect may force other cryptocurrencies, and maybe even Bitcoin, to adopt energy-efficient methods for mining, or by using renewable forms of energy, which is a good thing for the future of cryptocurrencies in the long term. If you are about to make investments in cryptocurrency, it makes a lot of sense to follow Elon Musk on Twitter, because only the Doge Father knows what he's about to tweet next that could change things around for us. With that, we've come to the end of our video. What do you think about Elon Musk and the power of his tweets? Do let us know in the comments section below. Drop a like for this video if you found this video to be informative. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one.